So this is JJ Grieve with Home Inspections of Puget Sound. We're taking a look at a new torchdown install, and we got a little problem here. This drain is not low enough. Watch, the water is going all the way into the corner. This scupper where the drain goes in is just way too high. As you can see, when I step on it, that blister goes down. This thing isn't even torched down. It doesn't have enough heat. I guess. Got these blisters where it wasn't heating very well. And clearly they didn't get this roof stuck down all the way. Let's step on that blister. Here we go, watch this. That isn't heated. That's not adhered. The drain is too high. It's running out that corner. This house has enclosed soffits, and we have water running right out of this corner now. The drain's in the right place. They just didn't bring the scupper down low enough. That's going to cause significant water damage to this house, and this really needs to be fixed. Again, this is JJ Grieve with Home Inspections of Puget Sound, and this roofing really needs to be fixed.